One of the things that's very easy to do is be sure that we're operating the track with the correct amount of track sag. And when we say track sag, we're talking about the amount of drop or sag between the top carrier roller of the undercarriage and the top of the undercarriage over the center of the idler at the front of the machine. So that amount of slag is what we would measure right in here between this distance right here. This is about the maximum drop we have. So simply, we just need some kind of device, either a straight edge. In this case, I've used just a string with some weights on the end to pull across that area. And then I could just take a ruler and measure and see how much sag I have. In this case, it looks like it's a little over an inch. The min and maximum range for sag is between 2 and 2.5 inches on this size dozer. So we could afford to loosen the track up a little bit to optimum range to maximize our undercarriage wear. And we'll go and take a look at that in just a minute here. We just determined that we need to increase the amount of track sag on this particular machine we just measured. So how do we go about doing that? Well, it's very simple. What we do is come to this side of the track roller frame. There's a cover located right here with some warning decals on it. We just take a wrench, in this case a 16 millimeter wrench, just loosen these bolts up. And we're going to remove this cover, and you'll see here in a minute that inside the cover is a relief valve and then also a zerk fitting located right in here. And to loosen the zerk fitting up, that will reduce the amount of grease that's in this cylinder, cause the idler to retract, and give us more track slag to loosen our track up. Now, if we had measured the track and it was too loose and we needed to tighten it up, we would have used our grease gun, placed the fitting over the zerk fitting, and pumped some grease into it to extend the rod and push the idler out towards the front to tighten the track up. So everything done to adjust your track is done in this area behind this cover, either by loosening this nut to release some of the grease or adding more additional grease there. If you have any questions about what we've talked about today on maintenance of Cat small dozers, please contact your local Cat dealer.